All right, good morning. This is Wilmer of Clear Choice Auto. So what we have here today, this is the brand new 2021 Mercedes S580. We're gonna do a full tint for this car and a full front end pen protection film. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you how to take off this door panel apart. So it's coming up. Okay, there are screws right here, one screws right there, and underneath this there are screws. So using your pick, is a thin screw, and pry it from there. This thing will just pop right off. Okay, and then using your you need a T20 to loosen this screw. It's T20 right there. Okay, loosen that screw. Yeah, put it there, this screw. And after that, this thing just slides right out. Okay, put your knee over this side and slide it. Yeah. Okay. So these are the screws right behind it, inside. So those are T30 screws. You can use it, yeah, T30. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. These are the T30 screws. Anyway, if this is your first time to this channel, please do consider to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And I say thank you for doing it. Okay, and after that, I'm just gonna leave that screw there. So I won't lose it. It's up to you if you wanna unplug this or not. But in this case, I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, put it there. And using your paddle popper, just pop it from the bottom. Okay. This just comes right off. That's it. There's a big white tub underneath there. I'm just gonna leave it on. Then this rubber just comes right off. Okay. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well for you to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.